In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clean up your inbox in Outlook. By the end, you'll know the quickest built-in tools to remove clutter, find what's taking up space, and keep future emails under control without losing anything important. Let's start with removing redundant messages in long threads. Outlook's Conversation Cleanup tool finds emails where the content is already included in the latest reply and safely moves those older duplicates to your deleted items folder. To try it on a single thread, select the message you are working with. Go to the Home tab, choose Clean Up, and then Clean Up Conversation. If you are dealing with a busy inbox and want to apply this across many threads, right-click a folder like your inbox and select Clean Up Folder to process all conversations at once. This is great for project discussions where replies quote the entire history. Because messages go to deleted items, you can review them there before permanently removing anything, just in case something unique was embedded. Next, use the Mailbox Cleanup tool to see where space is being used and target the biggest wins. Head to File, then Tools, and choose Mailbox Cleanup. Start with View Mailbox Size to see which folders are the heaviest. Often sent items or folders with large attachments. Then use the options to find items older than a date you set or larger than a size you choose, like 5 megabytes. Outlook will surface those messages so you can delete them manually. Focus on messages with large attachments you no longer need or very old items that have served their purpose. If something might be useful later, consider saving the attachment outside Outlook before you delete the message. If you are using Outlook on the web or the new Outlook, you can automate routine cleanup with Sweep. Select a message from a sender you want to manage. Click Sweep on the top ribbon and choose how you want Outlook to handle those emails. You can move all messages from that sender out of your inbox. Move all current and any future messages from them. Always keep only the latest message and move the rest, or always move messages older than 10 days. Sweep is especially helpful for newsletters, announcements, and promotions that pile up quickly. Once you set it, Outlook applies that action so you don't have to keep doing it manually. Use these tools together, clean up redundant messages. Target old and large items and set smart sweeps to keep your mailbox lean and easy to navigate. Thanks for watching.